In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks to favorites in ClickUp. Favoriting a task is a quick way to keep important work just a click away. Instead of hunting through projects or views, you'll pin a task so it's always easy to find from your sidebar. Let's walk through the process clearly and make sure everything is set up the right way. First, choose your space. A space is the top-level area that groups your work by team, department, or project category. In the left sidebar, locate the space that contains the task you want to favorite and open it. If your workspace uses multiple spaces, take a second to confirm you're in the one where the task actually lives. This ensures the rest of the steps will show you the correct lists and tasks. You don't need to change any settings here, just be in the right space so your task is visible where you expect it. Next, head to Lists. In ClickUp's hierarchy, tasks live inside lists, which may be organized within folders under your space. Navigate through the sidebar to open the appropriate folder if you have one. Then select the specific list that holds your task. You should now see your task displayed in rows. If your view doesn't show tasks in a list format, switch to a list view so the task rows and their menus are easy to access. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct list before moving on. Now, find the task you want to favorite and click the three dots on that task's line. This ellipsis menu appears on the right side of the row, often when you hover over it. Clicking it opens a context menu with task-specific actions. Be sure you're selecting the right task. If tasks have similar names, check the assignee or due date in the row to verify you've got the correct one. From that menu, click on Favorites. Depending on your interface, it may read Add to Favorites or be accompanied by a star icon. After you click it, the task is pinned to your Favorites section, typically visible in the sidebar for quick access. Favorites are personal to your account, so you won't affect anyone else's view by doing this. If you ever change your mind, open the same menu on the task and select the option to remove it from Favorites. The star will toggle off. That's it. By choosing the right space, opening the list, using the three-dot menu, and selecting Favorites, you can keep your highest priority tasks front and center.